guys, so it is now 8:07. I got up, I don't remember, I think it's either after 6 or 7, probably after 7. And I slept alright, woke up about every 2 hours. It was a quiet night, and I went down to check the lake and to filter water, and looks like what had been unfrozen yesterday has frozen back up, but of course it's going to melt again. I'm going to say it froze to either a quarter to half an inch thick. I mean, I pulled out this shelf here, and I mean, it's pretty thick. And I did discover something really cool. Watch this. As you can see, that there's evidence of me doing it before. I thought that looked really cool. So, yeah, really pretty. The water is definitely cold. Haven't seen any fish or anything. I actually recognize where I am on the lake now. Normally where I filter water is over there. But that's completely covered in snow and ice. And that ice, I think, is a bit thicker, and I don't want to risk trying to break a hole through it to get water there, so I just came over here. But it's beautiful, and I'm definitely enjoying it. So it's almost 1 o'clock, and so far, although it feels like it's been a whole day, I think I've been having some altitude issues, because I've just been sleepy all day. So I've had a few naps, and read the Bible app and stuff, and eaten, but and tried to avoid the sun, because I'll tell you what, that sun can be hot. But this nice breeze is really nice. I would have been filming my face, but I would have wanted to take off my sunglasses, and honestly, it's just too bright. It is too bright to take off sunglasses. So I figured I'd just give you guys scenery instead. But I can't believe it, I'm already like craving food. I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but that usually doesn't happen until like several days into a trip. But it's been nice. Nice scenery. Not really any clouds. I've been hearing PCT hikers, but not seeing them. But I know that they've been walking by at a distance. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing so far today, and just relaxing. I don't feel sore at all, which is interesting. I thought I would, but I guess not. Well, it's about 5 o'clock. I am starving. I was gonna wait till later to make dinner, but I was like, oh, screw it, I'm hungry. And afterwards, I'm gonna clean that up and start getting things ready to hit the trail tomorrow. One thing I noticed, like, not even the lady at REI caught this, and I just happened to notice it just a little bit ago, but apparently my pack has a couple of water bottle holders right by the hip belt that I did not know about at all. That would have been really helpful. So that's good. I had no idea, so I'm going to utilize that and see how well that works. But I think it'll work fairly well. But I'm hungry, and I'm thinking about food on the outside. Oh man, can't wait to go to Denny's and get a lumberjack slam, which is basically a tradition of mine now. After I get out of the backcountry, lumberjack slam from Denny's. Oh, I need to stop thinking about food. I'm just so hungry. But there's been some clouds, like some out in the distance there, but nothing too bad, and it looks like my battery's gonna die, so I'll wrap this up. I'm sure we'll have good weather, and I'll catch you later. So there's some rain clouds there that appear to be headed my way, despite the wind going the other way. So I might get a little bit of rain here. I don't think it'd be all that much, but it's the Sierra, you never know. So I think I'll get ready to batten down the hatches here. So it's almost 6:30. I've eaten
brushed my teeth, cleaned dishes, gotten some things ready. It hasn't rained, but I'm gonna go to bed here shortly and try and get an early start tomorrow while the snow is hard. That's kind of the only reason I'm getting up so early, which I'm not sure exactly when I'm getting up, but the sun has started, like, it started getting light at like 4:30, if not before, which is a little weird. But I'll probably get up around 5, something like that, and start getting stuff put away and packed and everything. But hopefully I'll have a night without any visitors or anything. So I didn't do a whole lot today. I read, I napped, I listened to my MP3 player, filtered water, looked at the scenery. Like, I would literally just go stand out there and just look. Took some pictures, and I mean, not a whole lot else. Yeah, so I guess that's it for tonight. Good night, guys.